Alright, so the whole car has been wiped down with wax and grease remover. Every last piece, every corner and crease. So now I'm about to go ahead and mix up this primer over here. Got my primer right here. My cups and everything I need, activator. Got my mask right there. And my gun right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it on up. And we can go ahead and spray them down. Check them out now. Got that boy all primed up, man, finally. Whole car has been primed. I'm talking about even them door jams. Oh yeah, we got all up in there. Don't mind that door over there. I gotta put that back on. I got like I did this side. Everything, every crease. Even the doors themselves, you can see it. Let me see. Yeah, you see it. All that. Took all that paper off a while ago. Put all the lights back in, got my lights back in there for now. Got them all primed. covered up good. Laid it on there pretty thick, I would say. Everywhere. So now, the mission now is actually going to sit like this for a minute. It's going to sit primer. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I still got to, of course, get my hood. Got to get the bumper filler right there. And the bumper filler in the back right there, back corner. I'm gonna let them sit like this. I'm pretty much now finna do the usual part people would normally would say do first is to, you know, of course, get your engine right, brakes, blah, 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 whatever. Yeah, I feel that, but I feel like I was just tired of looking at an ugly car, you know what I'm saying, that I gotta work on, you know what I'm saying? I feel like, at least in primer, looking like this, makes you really wanna finish it on out. Shoot, probably be riding around primer for a little bit, I ain't even gonna lie to you. Got big plans for it. Finna go crazy with it. The engine probably coming out this thing. I ain't even gonna lie. It's probably gonna come out. Something else is actually gonna go right here in this place for the time being. Let's just say I got a big surprise for y'all guys on that one. Let's just say I'm finna go crazy. Everybody gonna be like, shit, you might as well go ahead and keep what I'm finna throw in there. But I don't think that's gonna be the permanent home. But yeah, I got something for you guys. Y'all gonna see something else in this engine bay real soon. I'm gonna have this whole engine rebuilt, everything top to bottom from the ground up all the way over again. Well, maybe not the ground up, but you know, for the most part, I'm going to doing all the internals. All the internals are gonna get redid. You know what I'm saying? Machine the block out, whatever. Get the heads redone. Might just get some new heads. Who knows? Pretty much run through the whole motor, refresh it on up. Pretty much make it like, shoot, after I get done with it, it's gonna have about 0 miles on it again. I'll tell you that. So, what I'm thinking about is making it a 383 stroker. I ain't gonna lie to you. Might make a stroker engine. You know what I'm saying? Stroke it down a little bit. And then, of course, like I said, the idea or the plan so far is to put it back in the car. But we'll see how that goes. Along with the engine work, I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much do all the brake lines, redo them all, because I could use them, but I feel like after doing all this, you might as well go ahead and make it all the way right. At the end of the day, with the power I'm gonna have under that hood, I might as well go ahead and make sure I can stop this thing, you know what I'm saying, if it gets too crazy. So go ahead and do all the brakes over again, change them all out, do suspension over time as I get there. Oh yeah, y'all see that? They don't call me Saint the Painter for no reason now. But yeah, man, this how we looking. Inside, I ain't gonna worry about the inside yet. Not yet. We'll get there over time. As long as it look good, that's all we care about. I might at least, though, for the time being, take this hairliner out, because it be falling apart a lot, and as you can see, it be on the falling on the seats and everything, the floor. I be getting tired of vacuuming it over and over again, because all that old cloth material, it just falls. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that whole board out, clean it up, and then put it back in. Yeah, I can't wait to put them rattles on that bad boy. They're gonna kind of look like this. They're gonna have that white letter design on the tires, but you gotta have them white letters, boy. You gotta have them white letters when you goddamn ride on them rallies. When you riding on them rallies, got to have them white letter tires, boy. I can't wait. I'm actually thinking about actually getting some different kind of rallies. Let's just say y'all already seen what I might get. Y'all seen it. If y'all seen the previous videos, y'all know what I'm talking about. If anybody knows where I can get some good hood struts brackets, whatever you call these, whatever, and screws that go inside the hood, let me know, because yeah, these things right here, yeah, they over with. Oh yeah, they tough. Oh, they tough. Oh yeah, they tough. You see that? And then get some new ones so I can, when I put my new hood on, I can at least open it back up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, anybody knows where to get these at, let me know. Hit me up. Instagram, same thing, at Saint the Painter. Or in the comments, let me know. It's been years in the making, man. A lot of work. A lot of time waste, I ain't gonna lie to you. I did waste a lot of time trying to put this together. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't in my mind as much to really finish it, but now lately, I said, what better chance to actually show off my work, show what I can do than now. So let's go ahead and give y'all more content on the box. You already know that front tag, yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Trust in Jesus, that's gotta stay on there. The Chevy. I don't know actually what I'm gonna do with the emblem. I found the emblem laying on the ground, and I don't know what to do with it. Shoot, hell, I might put that bad boy right there in the middle of the dash. For all I know. Yeah, so we got a lot of things we gotta get did. Just go ahead and do what we gotta do. Y'all stay tuned.